Good morning. Welcome to the first year 7 science free class. I'm a teacher, I'm a parent, and I'm also an engineer, and currently I'm a law student. And this short course actually is for my kids and also for you, those who wanted to study through the year 7 science. I will make year 7 science, year 7 mathematics, year 8 science, year 8 mathematics, year 9 science, and year 9 mathematics for the moment. My elder daughter took her IGCSE exam in the age of the 14 before 15 and score some good result actually, and she managed to get a scholarship after that. And now I'm preparing this for my second child. So I hope this free class will help you and your kids as well. If you're a student, kindly follow us because I will bring you through this science subject and math subject within 6 months. Hope you enjoy that, and do subscribe to us, and if you like us, okay, do share us because this is a motivation to us. Thank you very much. Okay, so if you are now with me, I think you are in IGCSE program, right? Maybe you are homeschooler, or maybe you are studying in the international school. Okay, I think it's okay. Okay, because this syllabus, okay, needs you to actually to run through science as a very important pillar of the STEM subject. Okay, later I will tell you what is about the STEMs, what is STEM subject. Okay, so on this page, you may see that there are 3 books, right? Okay, this is the most important 3 books that I catered. I do it for my elder daughter. Okay, and I use many books. This is just one of the 3 books. Okay, below I will show you how I prepare this for my kids as well, and prepare for my student. Okay, I've been also teaching IGCSE program for 8 years. Okay, to train many of kids. Okay? And now they are now enrolled in Monash University or Newcastle. Okay, one of them is medicine student, and another girl, which is 14 years old, is now, this girl actually took her IGCSE in the age of 14. She's now studying accountancy course in Australia. Okay, so let's start now. Okay, for science, can you imagine a life without electricity? Yeah, can you see these eyes? Okay, it's the eye in the dark room, right? Okay, so the convenience we enjoy now, okay, for example, light, electricity, is a result of the science. Science is a basic also for the critical thinking and our, just now the technology like electricity. Okay, what is a critical thinking? Okay, critical thinking is, okay, it's about how to implement your ideas, okay, using strategy and find a solution and mix it out together and find the best position you can do at a specific time frame. Okay, so it's about decision making, but how you get the decision is about a process of critical thinking. In our IGCSE science, actually we have 3 parts of the syllabus. One is biology, second one is chemistry, and the third one is physics. Okay, this one will appear in your books, no? Okay, biology is studying about life. Okay, for example, you can see osmosis, humus, bacteria, fungi, other microbes, organic material, and also the most famous topic, photosynthesis. Photosynthesis actually is about a process that the life get their food from the environment. This is a process that involves plants. Okay, for the chemistry, what one can see from the from the screen is about pH, CC, nutrients, base, saturation, electrical conductivity. Okay, this one is interesting. Okay, all the magic start here. Do you know that years long time ago, chemistry is only done by the witches, okay, and the wizard. Okay, now we go to the physics, which is we study about sand, clay, drainage, compaction, water, pressure, structure, okay, and volume. Okay, this is about physics. Okay, I have summarized this year 7 science into 24 topics, which will be commenced from first, from 10 January today until the 10 July of 2020. Okay, there's a typo there. It's today and last for 6 months. And in between, there will be some holiday because we do have to be relaxed and celebrate some times. Okay, but it's a time I will also try to upload some exercise for you and you can go through for that. Okay. Okay. But until this stage, okay, who actually can benefit from this course? Okay, this is a free course. Okay, actually, I used to get 50, sometimes 35, sometimes 50 bucks per hour. But since I want to make this free online, you can feel free to follow us. Okay, number one, if you are like to study science, okay, then you should follow us. Well, because as an engineer, I know some tricks that will make you love your science. Okay, and later on, if you are going to further IGCSE, because IGCSE year 10, 11, you must take one science subject. So the science is so how to say is the compulsory subject. So if you like to further to IGCSE, you cannot miss your science subject. Okay. Other than that, I will say that if you are a self learner, a homeschooler, I think this is you more because I will split it in 2 sessions. The morning session 9 for the science, morning session 10 a.m. for the math will suit you most because it will help you to regulate your learning path, okay, within 6 months. And then after 6 months, you can do whatever you want because as a homeschooler, we know that life is not just about study. You can study ahead of that and then later enjoy your days and life, okay? Okay, how to use this program? Okay, can you see this boy? This boy, practice makes perfect, okay? We need to practice, okay? And you may take my program as a preview. What is a preview? Okay, preview is study ahead of your teacher. Study ahead of teacher. Okay, I score a straight A in my teenagers time for my year 11 the time. Okay, it's Form 5 lah, the time. Okay, what I do is just 2 things. From here I do 2 things. I will show you which is preview is the one. Okay, preview is mean that I will try to study. Okay, I will try to study. I will try to study before the teacher teach. Okay, even though I may not fully understand what the topic are, but it will help me later in the class to understand more and can ask teacher some question. And then you go to your lecture. Okay. if you attend a school and your lecture is with your school, then it's good. If not, you can use my program as a lecture as well, a class. Okay, you can learn here. Okay, and if you have any question, you can ask me. Number 3 is division. Division is important because it will strengthen your memory. Can you see? Okay, and you can take it as a tuition and a practice to strengthen your memory. Because if you have done this same topic over and over again, okay, and then you may the memory will build in, implant into your head. Okay. Besides that, actually, you may find I have different way of the learning support to you, which is number 1, a lecture like this. Okay, just follow us. The second one will be you may follow our Diophan colorful notes from Diophan. You may get some notes like this. Okay, you may get some notes like this. Okay, from Shopee and Facebook. Okay, I think you may see there's a 5-star comment there. It's not only selling for once, but selling for many. Okay, and you may get our topical practice as well. Topical practice means that we will get all the past paper and well-designed questions into topic. After each topic, you may have more than 20 questions, okay, so that you can practice and understand the topic thoroughly. Thoroughly means what? Into very deep. It's about you once your friend talk about this topic, you can answer almost every aspect. Lastly, but not the least, last but not least is the past paper compilation. Okay, I used to set my mind before any exam, I will at least do 6 sets of papers. So you can download yourself. If you don't want, you can also look from our Diophan page and to get the material you need. Okay, here before I end the class and going into the exercise, I have 3 points for excellent learner. Number one, okay, this is about deeper learning. Make a plan and stick to it. If you don't know how to make a plan, I have made a plan for you, which is starting from January and until 10th of the July. Okay, you have this plan to finish your year 7 science, year 7 math, or you are in year 8 or year 9. Okay, you may finish within this 6 months, and then you need to stick to it. Okay, I have 2 sessions for it. Okay, and then you must follow. And if you have another plan for yourself, just do it. Okay. The second point will be deeper. Yes. Don't hurry. Okay. Take your time. Okay. For each topic, sometimes you can finish like what I showed you within 6 months. Okay, the whole topic, a complete topic. But sometimes I would rather like you to stop at chapter 1 maybe for a slightly longer time, doing slightly more exercise within that topic, because if you dig deeper, can you see this root? This is root. Okay, the root will go deeper. Can you see? Go deeper and deeper and deeper. Okay, that's important. So, however, I also want you to finish within 6 months. Because if you have only one root, go deeper. It's good enough, I think. It's good. But I would rather want you to also expand horizontally sometimes for all these branches, so that you can get a very firm foundation. Okay, so to make it clear, deeper what is important, and later you mix it out to get a wider expand. So I think you may say, teacher, okay, sir, I think all you want us to do is just practice. Yes, correct. Huh? I have always shared this one. Okay, this is the number I want you to remember for the moment. Okay, maybe not for the moment, but for your whole life. It's called 990. Sorry, it's a 9901. Okay, 99 means that 99%. 1 means 1%. Okay, so I want you to have this number. Okay, it's about 99% of student effort plus only 1% of teachers teaching. Can you see the idea? 9901. Okay. So no matter how I prepare the material for you, your own practicing, sir, will make you 99% together with my only 1%. Okay, you can have your 100%. This is about excellent learner and excellent learning. Okay, come. Can you see this girl? Yeah, there's a question mark for that. Okay, just follow my class. Okay, just follow my class. Okay, I will give you some short exercise every class, just like today. Just do follow them and answer them. Complete your exercise. And if you want me to mark for you, you can always drop me an email. Okay, you can drop a comment there. I will send you an email. I can mark for you. And remember, again, practice is important. Practice is important. Okay. Close. Okay, so now let's start with our checkpoint 6 revision. Okay, before we start next week with our first chapter. Okay, first chapter. So this is, I think you have done this one, right? This is okay. If you have done this one, you may leave the class. But if not, I would like you to join me because I will show you some of the things. Okay, this is the paper of CIE. Okay, assigned paper 1, and we are just doing some of the question, not all the question. Okay. Okay, come. All living things have different life process. Okay, I think I want to choose this question is because our first topic is also about this. Okay, about biology. Okay, I give you a second. You can read this one. Okay, you may read this one. Okay, you give you a second. You read this one. Give you a second. All living things have different life process. Yes, this is about life process, right? Write down the life process in the table next to the definition. The first one has been done for you. Definition. Life process. Okay, we have 3 on our left-hand side. Responding and reacting, producing young or offspring. Offspring is son and daughter, can you see? Turning food into energy. Yes. So I give you a second. You may look for your internet, because now you are online learning. You may look for your answer internet or your books. Shouldn't be a big problem. And it's a way of the learning. Okay, come. Do it now. Try your best. Okay, I will give you answer in a second. Okay. Okay, the answer for this one will be, I think you know the answer, right? Okay. I think you know the answer. Oh, not this one, sorry. Productivity, production, the production, the production. Okay, number two, okay. Offspring means daughter and son. Can you see? If this is a mother and the father, they're married, okay? They'll give birth to baby. Yes, this is the baby. Oh, I think you remember that. Okay, good. Then next, turning food into energy. When we talk about energy, okay, turning food into energy, this is about respiration. Okay. In primary 6, we learn about respiration, okay? But in year 7, year 8, year 9, we will know that respiration is not the same as breathing. Breathing. Okay, this breathing is a moving in and out of the gas. However, this respiration is really about energy. Okay. And if you like energy, okay, there's a battery in our cell, every part of our cell, which is called the name of the mitochondria. You will learn later, okay? I will let you learn later, okay? Okay. Hey, coffee. Coffee has built an electrical circuit. So you know about the switch? Yes, I think you know, right? The lamps are off. Okay. How does coffee do to turn lamps on? How should we do to turn the lamps on? Yes, I know you know, right? Okay. See, can you see? This is connected. This is complete circuit. The wire is not broken. Can you see? From here, and then connect until the end and return to the switch. So, what is broken? Yeah, you need to press the switch. Okay. To press the switch, right? To press the switch. Okay. So, just as what I showed you just now, we need to find whether it's complete or not. Okay, second. Let's look. Is this in the same direction? Yeah, it's the same direction as that. Okay, so be careful. Even though sometimes if you press the switch, okay, this lamp will not turn on. It's still on. Why? Why? This question number 4. Yeah, it's a bit tricky. If the battery is upside down, or is on the other way for the both battery. So this one will work. Can you see? This one will work, and that one also will work. I will draw another pair. Yeah, this one also not working. 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 Okay. You may say, you may say, you may say, close the switch. You may say, operate, sorry, or you may say, press the switch. All this will do. Okay, let's see. Oh, in the space below, draw a circuit for the electrical circuit. Use the symbol. Okay, just now, as I told you, there's a switch, right? Okay, there's a switch here. Okay, how is a switch look like? You have a small dot here, and on the other way, yeah, this is the switch you press just now. Okay, so if the switch is closed, then you can close the switch. Can you see? Yeah. So this is the wiring, and to go down here, let's see. There's a 2 lamp there, right? Okay, let me draw nicely. Okay. Okay. And then you have 2 lamp. Lamp you can use the cross. And then go to the other side. You may have, this is longer because a battery look like this. The positive part will be longer and the negative part will be shorter. Okay, so yeah, sorry. So this one will be shorter, longer, shorter. Yes. This part means that you have two battery. You have 2 battery. Okay. Number five. Okay, complete the sentence. Cable and wire needs to be a good electrical conductor. So conductor, they are made of what? Okay, the material for the conductor is not plastic, it's not wood, right? Yeah, when your mom say, oh, can you see the wire link is exposed? I mean, the wire has without the skin, the double skin really, the coating, okay? So if you're touching the inner thing, okay, there's a metal, yeah. Metal, okay, metal. So cable and wire are good electrical conductor. They are made of metal, okay? For your information, the wire is always copper. For safety, wire are covered with the material that do not conduct electric. So for things without, for things that they are covered is called plastic or rubber. Okay, these two are insulator. Okay, come to next. Any material that is non-conductor, yes. This rubber, what's the name of this group of the material? We call it an insulator. Okay, come. I think this is the last one already, is it? Okay, almost there. Okay, almost there. Okay. Okay. All animals eat to give them energy. Yes. Eat them. Okay. Here are some information about a food chain in the sea. Penguin is fish. Yes, this penguin. Okay, this is fish, and fish is both toothing, green plant, and plankton. Okay, so the energy flow from green plants to the fish, and then from plankton to the fish, and then from fish to the penguin. Okay, for the penguin. Okay, this is PL. Okay. So let me draw for you. Okay, this is penguin. This is penguin. Penguin is a fish. And then the fish will be eating the plankton. Plankton is actually a very small, tiny plant. And then you have the green plant. It's a seaweed. Okay, seaweed. Seaweed. Oh, okay, seaweed. So use the information to draw the food chain. Food chain means what? Yeah, this is the food web. Okay. And then food chain means only one part. You can say this green part or can use the yellow one. You can choose only one. Okay. So let's say I choose the green one. The green one will be green plants. GREENPLANTS. Okay. The energy flow to the fish. And then from fish, we'll go to the penguin. Okay, very good. Oh, so fast. Here are some information about food chain in a woodland. Owls eat small birds. Yes. Small bird eat insect. Insect eats the tree leaf. Use the information to complete this food chain. Draw an arrow. Yes, the arrow, remember, is from the food to the feeder. Okay. So an arrow will be like this. Yeah. The arrow will be like this. From leaf to insect. From insect to small bird. Small birds. From small bird to owls. Okay. So this is all for today's training. Hope you really enjoy this. In minutes, 10 minutes more, we will be having our year 7 first introductory class also. Just like this, I will share some study tips, but not the same tips, don't worry, okay? Will be another tips which I have been studying, okay, and I'm using that for my exam now also in my law program, okay? Hope you really enjoy that, enjoy the class, and remember, okay, we should have plenty of time to study because learning is a life process. We need to learn from the beginning to our last day. And bye, and try to see you later and see you next week. Thank you for being patient with me. Thank you very much. Bye.